Hi guys, so we've been to China recently and we got to handle the new Honor Magic 8. Believe it or not, it has the same processor as the Honor Magic 8 Pro, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and it's quite the looker. I noticed the side button, the button that they say it's for AI, but it's also for the camera. You can turn the camera on. Right now you're seeing the YoYo Assistant, which is only available in China, sadly not in Europe. Thanks to this assistant, you can do a lot of things like even order coffee if there's a coffee in front of you. I know we have the Chinese software version of the phone, but let's see what we're getting here. So, first things first, we have multiple color choices here. This is the one called black, although it's a darker gray. And as you can see, the design hasn't changed very much from the Magic 7. Now, to get things out of the way, I have to mention that the Magic 8 will not come to Europe. In Europe, we only get the Magic 8 Pro. So we get a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor inside, coupled with 12 or 16 gigs of RAM. A hefty 7000 mAh battery, just 100 mAh shy of the Magic 8 Pro. It charges at 90 watts via wire and 80 watts wireless. Now the screen is obviously smaller than the one of the Magic 8 Pro. I'm talking about an LTPO OLED 6.58 inches in diagonal, and the cutout is singular, not dual, because it doesn't sport a 3D TOF sensor. It has something called Rhino Glass protection here, and it's supposed to receive 7 years of Android updates. Now, camera wise, you're seeing some beautiful photos here, so let's get it out of the way. We don't have a 200 megapixel telephoto camera, we only have a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. At the front there's a 50 megapixel selfie camera, while at the back side we're also treated to a main 50 megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture and optical image stabilization, plus a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Now, other things we're mentioning is that the phone is quite tough and rugged, IP68 certified, IP69 certified for dust and water resilience, to high pressure jets and more. It runs on Magic OS 10, which is definitely inspired by iOS 26, with all of that transparency and all of those airy windows. Now, it measures 8 millimeters in thickness and weighs 205 grams. It's got quite the immersive screen and it's supposed to reach 6000 nits of brightness. Now back to the camera options themselves are pretty similar to what you would get on the Magic 8 Pro, and the zoom actually surprised me because even though we surpass 3x, 5x or 6x zoom, the details will remain, I would say, pretty clear. We also have a color spectrum sensor at the back side and also a flicker sensor which helps you detect flicker in the surrounding areas, so it's able to protect your eyes, much like other handsets. We also have large amplitude speakers like the ones we got on the Magic 8 Pro, and we also have obviously emergency satellite services. But once again, this only happens in China. Some of the features available here, like the YoYo Assistant, aren't available in Europe. So on everything said and done, this is a lighter version of the Magic 8 Pro with a lesser telephoto periscope camera, but keeping some of the cool AI features of the other model, like the AI photo editing and the special options that let you extract a color from a photo and apply it as a sort of filter for future photos. Aside from that, should be pretty high performance for games. There should be virtually zero differences between the two models when it comes to gaming and future proof. Now, AI is present as Gemini, Circle to Search, also as Magic Portal. You got that Knuckle to Search feature available here, and of course all the goodies that AI photo editing can bring you. So this has been the first contact with the Honor Magic 8, not the 8 Pro. We have a separate material for the 8 Pro. The price should be around 540 euros, but it's only sold in China as of this moment. Hope you enjoyed this because we have more things to show you, including the Magic 8 Pro with an unboxing and a Magic 8 Lite, which has been taken for a spin and a drop test.